So good afternoon everyone. Today I will conversation deeply about the crops. Crops is a most important for all of you. Friends, today I will talk about briefly how to produce the numerous type of crops produce one season, because the here farmers do only agriculture season by season, because farmer is planning a very essential role behind your journey. By the way, supposing that the farmer cannot produce the crops on his land, so you can't eat, because I am not saying that you can't only eat but also everyone. So a farmer is a most important for all of you. So first of all I want to say something about of the farmer. A farmer is my real hero, the which person and which peasant contributed throughout the life behind the agriculture sectors, so that today I can't eat and fulfill your stomach. By the way, supposing the here live not farmers and the farmer cannot produce the more crop on his land, definitely the one day starvation come his in country. So it is reality. First of all I want to say something about the farmer is a very largest contribution behind this country. First of all you should get the respect by the farmer, so that you can understood about the contribution behind the farmers. So my lovely ladies and gentlemen, today I will talk about step by step the here farmers are doing agriculture season by season. So everyone can look behind me. This is a tree of the maize, because the here the more produce has, because I am come from Uttar Pradesh, and here the farmer produce more than crops such as maize, wheat, barley and mustard. And let's talk about the numerous type of vegetables. I talk about a little about the vegetables, such as at this time the very popular vegetables here at this time, such as lady figures and cucumber and lady figure, etc. So at this time these vegetables are very expensive in the market. First of all you should imagine yourself. By the way, when you go to market and purchase the numerous types vegetables for your kitchen, so you realize yourself the how many expensive are there. Such as at this time the lady figure is 10 per kg. So you imagine yourself the very largest quantity produce hairs, lady figures and cucumber, etc. So friends, first of all I want to say something about the farmer. A farmer is playing a very essential role behind your future and behind your journey. You get a little respect of the farmer, so that first of all you should understood about the farmer pain and sorrow, so that by the way, supposing the farmer cannot produce the on his crops, so definitely you can't eat, and definitely one day came the starvation here. First of all you respect the farmers and say cucumber and etc. So let's talk about sugar canes. By the way you listen and you hear, so the many people are telling you, because this is an area of the countryside, and at this time the many types crops produce hairs. So first of all I want so for everyone, so everyone you can see this is a plant of the sugar cane. The sugar cane make of the jaggery and different types sweets and etc. So friends, sugar canes make the jaggery, and the sugar cane is a lot that there is a lot juices in the sugar cane. So it is reality. First of all I want to say I saw for everyone, please see, this is a very largest quantity, and this you look behind me, this is a plantation of a groundnut. So it is realities. And so you can also say this is a very peaceful environment, and this is a very beautiful farming here. So it is reality. The peasant is a very important for all of you, because the every peasant contribute throughout the life behind this country and behind the agriculture. So first of all, you should take the some care behind the peasant, because peasant is a most important for all of you. So friends, I will go ahead of this field, and here, so this is onion. This is planted of the onions, and onions, and etc. And friends, everyone, you can look behind me, and you look in down me. This is a maize tree. So thank you.